Hey guys, just got done with the teaching day. I got 3 glitch tools to share with you. Super fun. Hope you check it out. Thanks tools to show you. The first one's called Glitchy 3-bit dither demo, and you choose your file. Got Marilyn Monroe ready to go. Upload it. There's your original. Then it starts going through the glitches. My favorite, I think, is this kind of cut up effect right there. Next one that I got is the PhotoMosh. Choose your file. PhotoMosh is great because you just hit the Mosh button and it does crazy stuff, and you can decide whether you want to save it as a GIF or a JPEG. PhotoMosh is the bomb. You can subscribe to it and do a pro version where you can do all kinds of different things. It's a really amazing tool, especially in the hands of somebody that knows kind of what they're doing. And the third one is just called Image Glitch. Import, get Marilyn in there, and then the settings are down here. It's kind of like the first one, but a lot more of a just old school glitch effect. It would be fun to even just record sliding this back and forth as a form of getting some video. So those are 3 glitch tools that I use sometimes. Awesome stuff. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for coming. Hang out.